Alright meal preppers, today we're making a slow cooker chicken burrito bowl. This recipe makes 4 servings, with each coming in at 525 calories, 60 grams of carbs, 52 grams of protein and 6 fats. It's tasting awesome, so let's get into it team. First off, let's start with the salsa. Take 3 medium tomatoes, and we want these roughly chopped. Next is half a medium red onion, also roughly chopped. Now we want half a cup of fresh coriander or cilantro, roughly chopped, and put this all into a mixing bowl. And now you want to add in the juice of 1 lime, a pinch of dried oregano, a pinch of ground cumin, mix this in all together, and then you can put it to the side. And next up is the cooking and prep. Take 700 grams of chicken breast, this is roughly 2 large breasts. Cut these in half and add these into your crock pot, laying them along the bottom so they're flat. Now we want to add in the following: 1 can of black beans, drained, 1 can of whole corn kernels, also drained. Then you can add in the salsa, along with half a cup of chicken broth. And now it's time to add in my homemade seasoning. We want to add in 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, black pepper to taste, so just a couple cracks. Then you want to mix this all in together. Then we can put the lid on, and we can set the temperature to low and cook it for 7 to 8 hours, or we can set it to high and cook for 4 to 5 hours. And now you can sit back and relax and wait until the cooking is done. When there's 30 minutes to go, take 1 cup of raw rice and put this on either using a slow cooker or a stovetop method. Once the timer for the chicken is up, make sure that it is fully cooked, then you can remove it from a crock pot. And now we want to thicken up the sauce and the salsa. So leaving all the juices and vegetables in the crock pot, add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. If you're able to, put this through a sieve as it helps remove any clumps. Now start mixing this in. Once fully combined and there are no clumps left in, put this back on high for 15 minutes, lid off. While the sauce thickens, take the chicken breast and place it on a chopping board or plate. Now we want to shred the chicken up. Grab 2 forks and start shredding the chicken apart. Once all the chicken breast is shredded, you want to put this back into the crock pot and stir it in with the sauce that is thickening. And now we have a slow cooker chicken burrito bowl that is ready to be served up for dinner or packaged for meal prep. This recipe makes 4 servings and will last up to 3 to 4 days refrigerated in an airtight container. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've added the recipe and ingredients below, and please remember to like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you next time team.